Okay, this is going to be Lab 4, capturing a reference image found in the Windows 7 configuration, the lab manual, part of the Microsoft Official Academic Course in preparation for exam 70-680. This first exercise is exercise 4.1, which is installing the Windows 7 AIK, or the automated install kit. And we're going to be using our NYC-CL1 machine, but both machines have Windows Server on it. So we're going to go ahead and log onto this. Now, when you first do that, using NYC-CL1-student, we're going to select Switch User, click on Other User, and we're going to type in Contoso/administrator, and then password. So when you have to log in as Contoso, that's how you do it. So I'll pause the video while I wait for this to finish pulling up. Okay, now we're going to use our Windows Explorer and click on Network. And go to here, go into the Windows 7 AIK, and select Start CD. And then double click. Alright. From here, we're going to click on Windows AIK Setup. I'm going to go ahead and minimize this just to get that out of the way and move this over. And then next, agree, and next. And then next, next. I'll pause this while this finishes. Okay, now we'll go ahead and click on Close, and we're going to leave this up for the next exercise. And since we're only about 3 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and continue on to exercise 4.2, which is creating an answer file. So in this exercise, we're going to use Windows System Image Manager to create an answer file that partitions the computer's disk during the Windows 7 installation procedure. We should take it about 15 minutes. So let's get started. So from here, we're going to click Close, Close, Start Windows System Image Manager. Let's click on All Programs. Microsoft Windows AIK, Windows System Image Manager. There we go. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and click on Tools, Create Distribution Share. And we're going to type in C:/share. And then open. Now we're going to select File, Select Windows image. And in the file name text box, downloads. We want to go into Windows 7 ENT, sources, and then there should be an install.wim, and then open. Okay, now we're going to click on File, New Answer File, and then the Windows image pane, which is down here. We want to expand Windows 7 Enterprise, there already is. Components. I'm just going to move these around a little bit, make it a little bit bigger, easier to see. And we want to scroll down to AMD 64, Microsoft Windows Setup. Setup. AMD 64, Microsoft Windows Setup. Okay, try this one more time. So we want to expand components and then browse to AMD 64, which most of these are, Microsoft-Windows, which most of these are, dash setup. Sometimes it's a little bit tricky to find these because it's so small. There's so many of them. Okay, so we're going to use this one. Expand disk configuration, expand disk, and then expand create partitions. We're going to right click create partition and click no, we're not. Right click partition. We're going to add settings to pass 1. Now we're going to expand the modify partition and right click and also select add setting to pass 1. In the answer file box, which is over here, we're going to select disk And under the settings, we want to select each of the following. Disk ID is going to be 0, and we'll wipe disk true. In the answer file pane, we're going to click on Create Partition. Okay, so here we're going to go here, change this to true. Order is 1. Type is primary. Okay, and then in the answer file pane, we're going to select Modify. Active is true. Format is NTFS. Oops.
And those ones are stuff you can't fetch.
NTFS. Label is going to be Windows. Letter is C. Order is 1. Partition ID is 1. Okay. Tools menu. Oops, wrong one. Yeah, tools. Want to validate answer file. And we have no warnings or errors. Okay, now I'm going to click on Tools again. Create configuration set. And then I'm going to select C:/share/config set. And then OK. Yes. And then OK. So now we're going to close this. I'll go ahead and save it just because. We're going to leave the computer logged in for exercise 4.3. And that's the end of this video and the end of this exercise.